Hazel. Aku. 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 Aku.
No, I'm not here.
You try this one now?
That was a pretty good one.
Oh, her eyes are glued to it. It's like my nieces. You can't take a picture of them when a camera comes out. And it's the real fake one.
Yeah. They don't really know how to do a real smile yet. How old are they? Hi. You just fell down. You didn't like that? You didn't like that? Let's try again. Whoa!
There you go. You're just not getting bored of this, are you? It's not flashing the red focus thing, is it?
Like any move, she's gonna fall apart entirely.
Get me closer. I want my close up. Whoa!
You're drooling on the bed. This is my side of the bed and you're drooling on it. What are you thinking? Drool on Daddy's side of the bed.